I guess this will be the entrance to the documentary, the vlog, the film, whatever it will become in the end. I don't have really a plan of what to make out of it yet, but I know this will definitely be the adventure. Right now I am with Scenic, she's currently walking her dog. Today is the 18th of July 2024 and we are about to board a ferry from Ventspils, which is my hometown where I was born, and to go to Sweden, Nynäshamn, and then we'll take a 40 minutes ride on a car to Stockholm, where we'll meet other two of our friends, Dino and Julian. I will start a journey from there. Tonight we'll have a chilled evening exploring Stockholm, and then tomorrow we'll be driving from Stockholm to Oslo. We'll stay overnight in Oslo. The next day that we'll go from Oslo to Lysefjord, and then on day 4 we have our first hike. It's a Kjerag hike. Day 5 we will go to Preikestolen. On day 6 we will move to Tyssedal. Day 7 hike to Trolltunga. On the day 8 of our journey it's a chill day. On the day 9 of our journey we'll head to Geiranger. On the day 10 it's a chill day. On the day 11 we will head to Stockholm. On the day 12 we take in a plane back from Stockholm, and I'm just so thankful for life, really, to be able to go on this trip.
Давай. Нам нужно на 3-ю линию.
Okay.
4 утра проснулась, в 5 выехала, в 7:30 была у Нади. Мы тут, погуляли с Энди, сделали чек-ин, встретили другую Шибу.
A short interview. How do you find the first 3 hours of the trip?
Amazing. I have the privilege to hear some politic discussions on the back seats. I'm grateful to be here. Crossed to Sweden. It's cold to Norway. It's cold to Norway.
I don't wanna make a scene. She cut me off and that's when she said, I don't need a hero, I don't want to be saved, but I said I'll be here every night and day. Oh, I don't need a hero, but if you let me stay, oh, I can still be here every night and day. How you feeling? You medicate. You're doing shit that's keeping both
and just outside Trondheim. It's in the middle of Norway. You go out to the coastline, you will hit the Northern Atlantic stream directly. So the waters is very, very cold. Everything that comes out of the sea, shellfish, mussels, scallops, anything, if you want to bring out the highest quality, you make sure that you have cold waters. When the heat hits the water, the algae level goes up and shells start to feed on more algae. They increase the size very, very quickly, too quick, and you lose a lot of aroma. So with the cold temperature, you slow down the whole process. And
So you must have really good oyster.
we do.
I knew that night I lost my head and I was being out of pocket. I wasn't trying to start a fight or tell you how to live your life. I just wanted you to know I fucking cared. She said, I don't need a hero, I don't want to be saved, but I said I'm here every night and day.
Let's go.
So this is Tyssedal State Church. It's the largest of the remaining state churches in Norway. It's made in 1200. It's made in the early 13th century, so between 1200 and 1250. Over the century, this has gone several restorations. The most major one was in the 19th century. The interior is with wood carvings and paintings. The carvings include motifs from both pagan Viking culture and Christian iconography. According to the legend, the church was built in just 3 days by 5 farmers. This tale adds to the mystique and allure of the church, though it's not historically accurate.
Thanks ChatGPT for the facts
So,
and Dina for reading them.
no problem.
So it's day number 4. We're going to hike called Kjerag, as English people call it.
Kjerag.
Kjerag, as the Norwegian people call it. Before I take you to the hike, we're gonna jump about 10 hours back in time and I'll show you what happened there.
It won't start the engine if we press twice. You have to press the brake pedal to start the engine.
Let me fill you in. Yesterday our driver Xenia was driving for 6 hours straight and we were a little bit tired and we accidentally put diesel in a benzene car, and the services in Norway
We had to wait.
we had to wait for
Quite a
very
lot,
long
yeah.
time. Our insurance company were working on finding us the emergency evacuation and they didn't. At 1 a.m. the guys came and they emptied our tank, and then we waited up until 4 a.m. until that happened. So
When I get home, I want you. When I get home, I want you. Hello, I got places to
Who was the person responsible?
no, all of us.
I think she's hiding. I think she's hiding behind the car. Look at her.
Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me, and you next to me, and you next to me, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be. Pretty brown, got me weak in the knees. Slow up, you hold me down, I'm readjusting my speed. I've been gone too long, baby doll, don't leave, okay, I'm mash. Put up on the gas, running up numbers, shifting the axis like I was NASA. But if you believe it, put a man on the moon, then damn what I gotta do. Gotta move that ass, that's right. Tell me what that fast ass like. Baby girl, there's nothing that can keep me from you. It is always gonna keep me from you. Got me picking up my speed now for you. Please be loyal. You know you got that. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me. Hello, I got places to be. Like me next to you, and you next to me.
Why? Gosh,
Might as well do it if we're here.
second hike of the tour, and it's called Preikestolen. It's supposed to be easier than the one that we did yesterday. Apparently yesterday one was pretty hard, even for experienced hikers, that's what we've read. And this hike should take us about 4 hours. It should be much chilled. And also yesterday, when we were going back, we got caught in a massive rain, and today we're not expecting one, which is really good. My shoes are still wet. We were like soaking wet. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. You know, are you looking forward to it?
Yes, definitely. Lead the charge.
See of that. So it's been first 5 minutes and
Fucking hell.
we
Why
are
did I sign up for this?
we are already sweaty.
We are 68 meters.
67.
68.
67.
Look at me.
Quiet.
Okay, let's go.
Turn your magic on. With me, she'd say everything you want to dream away. We are legends every day. That's what she told me. Turn your magic on. To me, she'd say everything you want to dream away. Under this pressure, under this weight. We are diamonds, and I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. I feel my heart beating. You make me feel like I'm alive again. Not in this way. I'm a dreamer died by light of day. Gonna hold up high the sky and say, only I own it. And I feel my heart beating. I feel my heart underneath my skin. Oh, I can feel my heart beating. 'Cause you make me feel like I'm alive again.
Игорь, что вы скажете?
Oh, you make me feel like I'm Let's dance in style. drop the bomb or not. Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn out all the faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, you will never. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Summer like water, summer like the heat. Summer a melody and summer the beat. Sooner or later they all will be gone. Why don't they stay young? It's so hard to get old without a cause. I don't want to perish like a phoenix. It's like diamonds in the sun, and diamonds are forever. So many adventures couldn't happen today. So many songs we forgot to play. So many dreams swinging out of the blue. But let them come true. Forever young, I want to be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Forever, forever, forever young. I want to be forever young. Do you really
Freshly caught water by Julian. He risked his life.
Just my dry clothes.
fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free.
We're in Norway on a random barbecue. Is this your stuff? No?
Racing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time.
Highest point in Norway is Galdhøpiggen, and it's 2,469 meters. It's located like in the middle of Norway. It's in 6 hours drive from here.
Less than 6 hours.
Yes.
We should go.
Instead of Geiranger. It's kind of on the way to Geiranger if you want to make a small stop.
parking level 1 of Trolltunga, and there are 3 parking levels, 1, 2, 3. 3 you have to buy in advance. 2 ideally also can buy in advance. You have to take a shuttle bus to level number 2, and then the shuttle bus to level number 3. Or we can alternatively walk, which is not an option for us at the moment.
Facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger. Grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently for the sun to set. And when it's done, believe that I will yell it from that mountain high. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I will bow to the shining seas and celebrate God's grace on me. I was born free. Oh, 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 oh,
Ланч
Да,
Lunch
в 12.
12.
at 12
5 minutes until lunch.
with a view.
the sunset's always yellow. What if I got you a yellow Ferrari? No longer driving through the motions now. Life is a blue and a yellow Ferrari. Never down, we're racing now. We're ripping around in a yellow Ferrari. Nothing matters when goes down. It's you and me in a yellow Ferrari. This is feeling so real.
съел. Да был на 1%, ты в курсе?
Ты съел?
На что мы
На
фотографировали?
Юлика телефоне вас сфотографировала. Ну блин, Ксюша, я тебя не фоткала. Кто тебя фоткал? Я ее фоткала? И как?
Да ладно. Ты видел что? И фото.
Hello. Do you speak English?
I do.
So we are 8 minutes away from your auto service shop, and we just someone was driving past us, and they were outside their lane, and they hit our mirror from the driver's seat. Can we get this replaced at your place?
Really quick update on the situation. We got mirror replaced, but
We got the window knocked the hell out of Xenia's car, and we went to like an auto repair shop, and they're just like kind of fucked up because he cut the replacement mirror the wrong way. Once he did it, that was it basically. So
and that was the last one they had.
it was the last one, and we just went along with it, and now we're at the second location with like car parts, so hopefully we can find something better.
заре. Небеса зовут меня. На заре. Солнце свет и сердце звук, робкий взгляд и сила рук, звездный час моей мечты в небесах. На заре. Голоса зовут меня. На заре. Небеса зовут меня.
Первый чекаешь.
На заре. Голоса зовут меня. На заре. Небеса зовут меня.
Salt air and the rust on your door. I never needed anything more. Or whispers of are you sure? Never have I ever before. But I can see us lost in the memory. August slipped away into a moment in time. 'Cause it was never mine. And I can see us twisted in bedsheets. August slipped away like a bottle of wine. 'Cause you were never mine. You're back beneath the sun, wishing I could write my name on it. Will you call when you're back at school? I remember thinking I had.
This is Bride's Veil, and there's a legend that 7 brothers wanted to marry the 7 sisters, but today we only have 5 sisters to our holiday. And this is the Bride Veil, meaning that they never got married because they got rejected. Yeah,
And they turn into waterfall.
they turned into a waterfall.
Very unfamiliar.
Back when we were still changing for the better. Wanting was enough. For me it was enough to live for the hope of it all. Cancel plans just in case you call and say meet me behind the mall. So much for summer love and saying us 'cause you weren't mine to lose. You weren't mine to lose. No. But I can see us lost in the memory. August slipped away into a moment in time.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she is waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar, and I know I gave it to you months ago.
Live summer tour. Sound recording device or something? No, I think it's something to do with electricity. Oh, we've got our man here. We got our man Leo Tolstoy. By how?
Notting Hill!
Yeah.
Notting Hill! Like in a horror film.
Everything is like in a horror film.
By the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.